Rush takes us to Avon right now, where 2 assisted living facilities are dealing with an outbreak of COVID-19.
Now at the Brookside facility, 8 residents and 3 staff members have tested positive. And contact tracing has revealed a medical worker there also works at Avon Health Center, and it's believed that's how the virus spread to the second facility, where more than 20 residents and 11 staff members tested positive. The State Department of Health is now working to continue to monitor this and continue to contact trace.
They had sought care outside of the facility, and within a few days of return began to develop symptoms. They went to a facility for wound care.
Now, Channel 3's Mark Robbins is live for us in Avon this afternoon. And Mark, the health department says this all began with a patient going outside their home facility to seek medical care. Is that something that's pretty common?
Well, it is common to go outside of your facility. Now, a lot of these assisted living centers have different levels of assist that they give the residents. Some of them live like it's just a regular apartment building, and they can come and go as they please. This person was out and then needed medical assistance, thus went to a facility and got medically treated for whatever it was outside of the COVID, which they didn't know they had at that time or didn't have at that time. So it's a concern for some, but it is the way it is. People can come and go from these facilities just like they live in an apartment.
Well, Mark, the workers or the person can come and go. The people who live there, the employee suspected of spreading the virus also works at both facilities. Is that common as well?
Yes, that is common for certain types of healthcare workers. They can work in different facilities. They work part-time. They work on per diem basis. So they work at various facilities, and that's what the contract tracing is showing, that at least one employee worked at both of these facilities. Now, this type of work, to some people, it's a bit of a concern. If you have a loved one or family member in a facility, or you might have a concern about this, but unless they are part of a union, unless they have some sort of full-time commitment to just one facility, they're free to go from place to place. Reporting live in Avon, Mark Robbins, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
All right, we will continue to follow the latest on that. Mark, thank you.